I am an ally.
We'll get started.
Perfect.
I'll get this thing done.
This is yours to take home.
Go to the button.
All right, next we have our rebuilding together volunteer agreement and release of liability. This needs a signature before you can touch anything here. Okay.
Oh, I see. There's a little extra push you have to do. I got it. So there's one, there's two. If you get a little extra push forward.
We are getting our windows taped up. The base is going to be a different color. We're going to take that second.
I came, I saw, I got things done. The sun was hot, but my spirit burned brighter, inflamed by the desire to help my Arizona neighbors live happier, safer, and better lives. This year, I've gone all out to give back to my community through my constant, continued devotion to promoting the concepts of friendship, justice, and learning. Building ramps and revitalizing communities was only the first step toward improving my neighbors' lives. I've created sustainable solutions both for my placement organization and also for my community. The reports, documents, surveys, and spreadsheets I've created for building together this year will improve organization, make packing for builds easier and less stressful, and will also serve as a roadmap for designing and planning future projects. My equipment cataloging and warehouse inventory database will ensure all essential project items are quickly and easily accessible for volunteers. I felt we're building together clients by removing and replacing damaged or broken kitchen appliances, by mopping and laying floors, by removing debris from premises, and by giving homeowners an extension on their lives, living in their homes that they've come to memorize, know, and love for years. Beginning a new life in Arizona was challenging, but well worth the dedication and effort. I'm proud to have served my country well in such a high capacity as I have with AmeriCorps, and am excited to pursue my future career within the media industry post-graduation. It has been an honor and a pleasure to provide and assist to those who would rather age in place at home, surrounded by their family, neighbors, and loved ones, than to be confined to a retirement home for the rest of their days. Thank you to all my fellow allies for serving as such an inspiration and source of optimism for me to exalt within my placement and throughout my community. Keep calm and AmeriCorps on. Sincerely, John Leslie.